Good morning. It's Friday, and I know I haven't vlogged in a long time, but I haven't been doing much vlogging because I just been so tired. I haven't been doing anything. An update, I'm 38 weeks today, so the doctor said that I can deliver any day now, really. So that's exciting because I'm over it. About to drop Kennedy off at school. We just waiting. We outside. And as you can see, I'm now a mom of 2 car seats. I don't know how I really feel about that, but car seat over there, and Kennedy is now sitting behind me. Say hi, Kennedy. Boo boo. She's playing her iPad. And then I'm about to hit some stores. And hey, cutie. But yeah, I'll try to take y'all along. I know every time I say I'm gonna hit the stores, I say I'm a vlog too, but I'll be so disheveled. I don't know. But yeah, I'll try.
Mix it.
All right, what we about to make?
Some slime.
Slime? What kind of slime?
Rainbow.
Rainbow? Do we have all of our ingredients?
1, 2, 3, 4.
What's wrong with you?
6. Yes.
We have everything? Okay, what color glue do we have?
Red, green, and blue.
All right, and we also need a bowl to mix it, some baking soda,
And some
contact
spoons.
solution, measuring spoons, and then here is the recipe.
I
got
mix
this
it
from
with this
Walmart.
spoon.
So, this is what we're about to make.
Hand on that.
It's sticky.
I know.
We not doing rainbow. We just gonna do one today.
Uh-oh.
Why do we not rainbow?
We're just gonna do the colors by themselves so you can make slime another day. Because once I make all the slimes, then you're not gonna be able to make no more.
Try to get in there. I don't like chopping it a little bit.
That's what I was trying to do, but I was just moving the liquid around.
Ah, it's sticky again.
Yeah, it's gonna be sticky. You wanna wash your hand. Pour
I
a
want
little
to
bit.
play
Pour a
with
little
the
bit more of that stuff
slime.
in here, just a
I
little
want to
bit.
play with the slime, Daddy.
I am. I'm gonna let you play with the slime.
It's sticky.
Don't touch nothing. Don't
No,
keep
sit
your
down.
hands up.
Sit down. Matter of fact, Go, Kennedy.
Wash my hands.
Hey, where you going?
You want to wash your hands. You know she don't like nastiness on her
Go ahead.
hand.
Don't touch nothing. Don't touch the chair. What? Oh. I ain't know I'm being recorded. Had my face like.
Is it going together? Does it feel different?
Yeah, it does feel a little different. Maybe it's the Kroger brand.
Trying to be cheap and get the little Kroger brand contact solution.
Maybe that's what it is. I don't know. My fingers look retarded. I look like on a scary movie. This is my strong head.
Whatever. I don't wear contacts, so I don't know what contact solution is good.
I don't either. You see, she got 4 eyes. I don't.
And I keep them. I don't wear contacts. Baby love, what are you up here doing? What are you up here doing?
Adjusting it.
Oh, look at you with your toy.
I knew you was coming up here with this camera.
Got your futon?
Yeah, babe.
Did you sit on it?
Yeah.
You like it? Is it big enough for you?
Yeah, it ain't super cushiony, but I feel like it's better than that leather. I feel like leather would be hard. You can sit down. I mean, it's all right. You can sit down. Come on.
No.
Come on, man.
Don't talk to me like that. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's decent.
You gonna put this back against the wall?
Yeah, I am. I was just moving it back and move this.
Yeah.
And
then all you need is your TV.
I know I ain't messing. Don't keep saying it because I ain't getting it right there.
I know. I'm just saying, it's a nice little area. You could get like one of like a rectangle ottoman, that storage ottoman that we saw, and put that right here. And then I just gotta get your things for the cubes. And my mom gave me an idea to put the refrigerator right there.
Oh.
A small little refrigerator. She said they're on sale right now for $89. Okay, little man cave coming together. Just gotta put some decorations in here. You got all the major pieces except for the TV now. You good.
I need my TV.
No, you don't. Look at you.
I gotta put my thing up.
Oh, yeah. Your, what's that called?
Corkboard.
Corkboard, yeah. Did you have to put this together or was already pretty much together?
I just gotta put the legs together. It was folded. Like, it's 2 separate sections. Like, this is...
Oh.
Like, this... It's 2 different chairs. You just put them together. And then when somebody ready to lay on it, you just pull it out. Because I'm gonna put it against the wall. Pull it out. All the way up. And then you just drop it down. Let me see something too. Yeah, this is good enough for somebody that's...
To lay on? It's for one person.
Yeah.
I'm coming here, you're gonna be taking a nap in here on this futon.
Yep. I need a nap for my lunch.
Oh gosh. Yes, Kennedy Dior.
Kennedy gonna be in here all the time.
I'm coming downstairs. I was looking at what your daddy got. Did you? Huh?
Come here.
You want to see it? Go ahead. Go ahead. Go in Daddy's office. I'm gonna keep walking up and down these stairs to get this baby out. She really gonna be in here.
I know. Don't stop.
Don't
stop.
jump on it.
Why you want to jump on everything?
Get this is comfy.
You ain't gonna be able to keep her out your office.
I know I ain't. Alright, hold on. Let me move it.
Daddy got you a nice sofa in here so you can sit down in here.
What you doing?
What
Work?
kind of work you got to do?
Someone calling me.
Somebody calling you?
Where's my phone? Oh, silly.
Someone some silly.
Here's my phone. Hello? Yeah. Bye.
What?
Just get the
I put
card.
some of it right there. I wanted to kind of like center it a little bit.
Center it with this, the cube.
Yeah, I don't know how to move the cube over because I can't move it no further over.
Yeah.
This for you.
Good. I got my card. Now.
Get you a nice little rug, the ornament, and then you all set, baby boo.
Get that camera on my face, man. You want to sit with me? Come here.
She said she got work to do.
Stop typing, girl, because that computer's still on. Stop. That computer's still on. I'm sure. Yes, it is. Look.
Yes.
Oh, I ain't opened that. All right, get up, girl.
That didn't work.
You don't need no work. No.
Get down.
No.
Get down.
Thanks. Hi. 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 Hi.
Twins.